up nicely, keeping shrapnel, etc. from falling in, which is great. It's nice and clean across the top. So now on goes, and you can't really goof these up. You have a locating pin on the back of this, and when I say you can't goof this up, now I've got it all discombobulated here. Hold on, folks. I've got it upside down, and the other locating pin is in the top end. Should go like so. There we go. All right, so 2 locating pins. One right down here. I'll get that moved down easy. Hang on. I want that to come down nice and equally so I don't tear anything. So it lays down there nicely, seated correctly, and it's on. Now, we want to make sure that our rings are lined up with the pins, because